I don't know how he did it, but somehow, some way, Michael got me up before 6 a.m. He wanted to wake up early to see the sunrise. Well, it was our last day in Tobermory, and I couldn't let him down. And I mean, it was really pretty, so I suppose it was worth it. Don't get me wrong, I took a nap after. But could you blame me? We had a full day ahead of us. We were going to explore the shops around the harbour, grab lunch and drinks at Tobermory Brewing Company, take a very long hike to the Grotto, and have pizza from a vending machine? Yeah, that sounds about right. So, wake me up in a few hours so we can let the adventures begin. Alright, we are back in downtown Tobermory, and today we're going to be checking out some of the shops around here.
We're poor, but we'll go shopping.
Yeah, probably won't buy anything, but it's still fun to look.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cool things to check out, so I'm sure we'll find something pretty. Alright, let's check it out. Reader's Haven Bookshop is one of the largest gift shops in the town center. Here you can find t-shirts, fun souvenirs, and of course, books. You can even grab coffee at their cafe. They had books of all genres here. But something unique that you can find here are history and guidebooks about Tobermory and the surrounding area. The Sweet Shop is a big candy store overlooking the harbour. I actually found it rather disappointing, to be honest. It just seemed a little empty to me. Now this could be because of COVID, but even then, we were going to go for ice cream and just found that it was quite pricey and the selection wasn't all that big. Now, if you're looking for an ice cream place in Tobermory, I would definitely recommend Peninsula Supply Ice Cream Treats. We got ice cream from there every single day of our trip. Our next stop is the Hummingbird House, which is a great place for handcrafted gifts and souvenirs. Michael actually bought a painting from here. And if you're looking for some Tobermory themed Christmas decorations, this is the shop for you. The Marine Chart shop featured an interesting mix of nautical and cottage related gifts. I was honestly tempted to buy a lot of stuff from here. And of course, as the name suggests, you can buy some marine charts here, including a map of all the shipwrecks in the area. Where are we, Michael?
We are at the Tobermory Brewing Company.
Are you excited for lunch?
I am so excited, I am starving.
Same. What are you thinking about getting?
I want the Beyond Meat veggie burger. I don't know. I think I'm gonna say Beyond Meat and hope that I get a Beyond Meat burger, but
yeah, that sounds really good. Okay, so drinks have arrived. Michael just got
7-Up.
I decided to be a little more adventurous, and I'm going to try the Fathom 5 Porter. So here at the Tobermory Brewing Company, they have a wide selection of drinks. They even have their own selection of craft beers, including the one that I got, and they're all themed to Tobermory. The one that I got is named after the Fathom 5 National Marine Park, which included Flower Pot Island, where we went yesterday. Yeah, they just all have fun names like that. That's pretty good. I like it. All right, our food has arrived. So we have the
Prime rib burger and then the veggie burger.
We split them in half, so we're gonna share. So we each get to try a bit of both.
Yep.
Let's dig in. All right, Michael. Now that you've had your first couple bites, what do you think?
They're very good.
I agree. They are absolutely delicious.
This way?
Yeah, to the left. It isn't all that hard to get to the Grotto. That is, if you reserve a parking spot a week in advance. Michael and I weren't aware of that. but we still really wanted to see it. We ended up going to the next access point down the road, the halfway log dump trail, and hiked from there. Which worked, but it meant a 6.1 kilometer hike on the Bruce Trail. Now, I know Google is saying that the hike only takes an hour and 22 minutes, but you gotta remember that this is a difficult trail. In reality, it was more like 2 hours, and we had to hike there and back. It was long and exhausting, but hey, it was an adventure. All right, today we are back on the Bruce Trail, for real this time.
Not just the beach.
Yeah, we're actually going the right way. And this time we actually are going to make it to the grotto. We have all afternoon.
As much time as we want.
Mm-hmm.
So long as it doesn't get dark. Yeah, I'm not down to be out here with the wild beasties.
We are going to make our way along the trail. We'll eventually reach the grotto, and yeah, we'll catch up with you soon.
I think we were wandering down there yesterday.
Yeah, and away over there, just past those trees, is the beach we were at. We're going this way.
Wow.
Oh no! It's a little cliffy here, as you can see.
Oh wow.
Wow. Damn. All right, check out this view. Gorgeous. So we just had a fun encounter.
We met Buddy the dog.
Yeah, who was really cute and really friendly.
We thought it was Buddy the bear.
Yeah, when we turned around the corner, all we saw was this black animal in the middle of the pathway. And then his owner came a couple seconds later and we're like, phew, we're okay. It was a bit of a scare though. But you know, in the end, worth it. We found a little cave.
It's a little bear den. I feel like I'm in the crude.
Get to the cave! I mean, if we got stuck out here, we could use it.
I like beds.
Well, in that case, let's keep going.
A little later.
We've been walking for a very long time. We are ready to get there and see the grotto. Hopefully this is it. How you doing back there?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, me too. We should get some water.
Yeah.
Okay. Keep going. Okay, so it looks like we're just on a beach. Oh no. Up ahead we see some people, so maybe that's where we gotta go. All right, looks like we're on a nicer stretch of path where the rocks are flat and not so stony. I think we're almost there though. So close.
Moments later.
Okay, turns out we're still a ways away. The trail continues on a little more, so we're not there quite yet. Keep going.
More moments later.
All right, we're back on the stony paths, but I think we're close to the grotto.
Yeah, we saw signs.
Yeah, that's
First
promising.
sign we've seen.
It's a sign that we're getting closer.
You get the idea.
So this part of the trail is a lot more overgrown, and the path is a little less clear. We're kind of getting into a nicer part now, but it's very rugged. Guys, we are actually on a proper trail. Like, it has gravel and clearly marked out edges. We're almost there. For real this time. All right, guys, we're just about at the grotto, but first, this is the natural arch. Alright guys, as you can see behind me, we have finally made it to the Grotto. After hours of hiking, we're here, we made it. And this is why we don't leave garbage around, people. Now begins the long, but hopefully unperilous, journey back home. All right, we're back to the top of the mountain. And where we need to go is way down there at that beach. So close, but so far. We're almost there. Sort of. We're tired.
Yeah.
At least it's pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Okay.
It's my best view.
All right, our last stop on the trip. We are here at
Pizza Forno.
Pizza Forno. It is a vending machine that dispenses pizza.
Crazy.
Crazy.
We're living in 2050.
Yeah, it's the future, y'all.
It's the future.
Let's do it. I'm hungry.
Okay. So, we're gonna get barbecue chicken, hot.
And then confirm?
Yeah. Anything else?
No, I don't think we need two pieces.
No, I didn't think so either. I just wanted to know.
We have lots of stuff in the car still,
Yes,
so we're
we
fine.
do.
Wow. And they even have biodegradable cutlery.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
There's a peek inside the machine. I don't believe that's a peek inside the machine. I think that's pre-recorded.
Yeah. It gives you a glimpse on what's going on in there. We can actually smell it cooking in there.
It smells good.
So good. After that long hike, we're gonna need this. We're so excited. It's almost
6 hours almost of hiking.
Yeah, we were out there for so long. If you want to go to the Grotto, make a reservation for the parking lot. Otherwise,
A week in advance.
a week in advance.
A week in
Otherwise,
advance.
you're gonna have to hike forever. We are so tired, but so excited for this pizza.
If it eats our pizza, I'm going to be pissed.
Here it comes. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Ooh, it's hot.
Oh, nice.
Wait.
All right.
maybe.
Here's the revealing shot. So good. And that concludes our weekend trip to Tobermory, Ontario. Michael and I had a fantastic trip, and we really hope to get back sometime in the near future. Despite COVID, we pretty much got to do everything we wanted to do, with the exception of seeing the caves and light station at Flower Pot Island. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that wonderful YouTube stuff. If you want to see more adventures like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. If you do, I would really appreciate it. Also, drop a comment down below. I'm hoping to do one last Tobermory video with some bloopers, outtakes, and a Q&A section. So if you have any questions about the trip, drop them down below and I'll answer them in a future video. Follow me on social media at ADVParker and follow Michael on Instagram at ProMike7000. Michael is actually working on making his own YouTube channel, so make sure you go to subscribe to him once it's up and running. I'll leave some details down in the description. Again, thank you so much for joining me on this adventure, and as always, the adventure is calling. See ya!